Here at noon, I'm Haley Harrison. The highly contagious coronavirus Omicron variant is already in Kansas and Missouri, and health officials in Missouri are warning that it's spreading fast. KMBC 9's Rob Hughes shows us how far the variant has gone in just a few weeks.
And that Omicron variant is quickly spreading, and officials say the time to protect yourself and your family is now. Now, the State Department, the Health Department's been tracking the spread of COVID-19 through wastewater samples. And the Omicron variant was first detected in 2 locations on December 7th. And one of those was Jackson County. Well, now the health department says more than half of samples from last week showed the Omicron variant. And some of those samples came from 3 Kansas City area testing facilities, so we do know the variant is here. Now, though the Omicron variant is very different from the Delta variant, the CDC says that getting vaccinated and boosted is still the best way to protect yourself. And vaccinated people are 70% less likely to be hospitalized with Omicron. And then if you're boosted, the odds of severe illness are even lower. Now, the Missouri Health Department does plan to update their wastewater surveillance data today. And if you'd like more information on that, I've tweeted out a link. In Kansas City, I'm Rob Hughes, KMBC 9 News.
We know that more kids are being hospitalized with COVID-19 across the U.S. Pediatric hospitals saw the number of patients increase by 35% on average in the past week. Hospitals in cities like Chicago, Cleveland, and New York say they're seeing record numbers of hospitalizations. At the same time, some of them are running low on monoclonal antibodies to treat patients. A D.C. hospital reports nearly half of its COVID-19 tests are now coming back positive. 2 coronavirus testing sites in Kansas City, Missouri, run by Curative Health KC, are temporarily shut down. The healthcare startup company runs testing sites at the transit centers at East Village and 75th and Prospect. They will reopen tomorrow. You can find testing locations still open in Kansas City on the city's website. That's kcmo.gov. In Wyandotte County, you can get your coronavirus vaccine, tests, or boosters at the old Kmart off 78th and State Avenue today and tomorrow this week. Vaccines are offered from 10 to 6. PCR tests are offered from 9 until 3. President Joe Biden is using federal emergency management money to help local testing sites get a hold of more tests. A memo issued Monday says that it's the administration's policy to fight and respond to the pandemic to the fullest extent. The nation's top doctor says the testing situation should improve in the new year.
There will be available 200 to 500 million tests per month in the succeeding months, as well as operating maybe 10,000 testing centers, having an online situation where you can order online and have tests delivered to you. That's going to significantly improve as we get into January and subsequent time. It would be great if we had it right now, but unfortunately we don't.
Cities all over the U.S. saw an explosion of interest in COVID-19 testing right before Christmas. Lines stretched for blocks, and some people had to wait hours before it was their turn. 3 days after Christmas, and airlines are still being forced to cancel hundreds of flights because of issues related to COVID-19. Tracking website FlightAware estimates at least 600 U.S. flights have been canceled today. More than 2,000 flights have been delayed globally. Since Christmas Eve, more than 9,000 flights have been canceled. A few flights in and out of Kansas City International are being delayed or canceled this morning. There were some cancellations earlier this morning. Several delays are being expected here throughout the day.